Hey, what do you know? It's Joe DeBow. Hey guys, today I actually have a Kinder Surprise egg, which has been one of my favorite things since a little kid. Um, just gonna open it today and see what we've got. I've always got this routine down of exactly what I do to open it. The packaging actually used to be a lot different. Um, the same foil, the same kind of idea, but it was just wrapped around the egg and that was it. You just unwrapped it and then opened your egg real carefully. Now what I do, have this little ritual that I kind of unfurl the sides um, and then just kind of take off the top. There we go. So there's one. Okay, and then we just take off the back. Let me just take that away. Now what you do, you just kind of press gently on the sides and voila, you got Kinder Surprise eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to move this over to the side and we're going to open it up and see what we've got inside. What I do, I just typically dump it just off to the side. Now I'm very excited here because it looks to me like we actually have a Transformer Kinder Surprise egg. Anybody who's ever seen my car, I drive Optimus from Transformers. I actually have my own Transformer car. This is an idea here of exactly what the Transformers look like. He is my second Transformer. I actually do have this one here, so it's fantastic. RCA, actually don't know that name, but what I'm going to do is just move the instructions over here, and here's what we're going to do. Alright, so there we are, we've got part of it. That's his top half, and then what you do is you just kind of fit this in like this. There we go. And this arm just kind of slides in there, and this guy goes in here. Awesome. There we go. That's my Transformer. It's so awesome. I'm actually very excited to have this collection. There's 7 in total, and let's hope for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Woot.